Hello students, let me discuss one numerical on the potential. So the question is like this. The charges 2 microcoulomb, 4 microcoulomb and 6 microcoulomb are placed at the corners of A, B and C respectively of a square ABCD of side x meter. What charge must be placed at the fourth corner so that the potential at the center of the square is 0? So now here they have given that charges 2, 4 and 6 microcoulomb are placed at the corners of A and B and C respectively of a square. Now here A, B, C and D, these are the corners of the square, and 2 microcoulomb is placed at the corner A and 4 microcoulomb at B and 6 microcoulomb at C. And we have to calculate that what charge must be placed at this corner, that is corner D. And they have given that the potential at the center of the square is 0. Next, at the center means here O is the center. Now potential at O is equal to potential at A plus potential at B plus potential at C and potential at D. From the Pythagoras theorem, we can calculate AO is equal to OC is equal to OB is equal to OD, that is equal to x by root 2. We know that formula, A by root 2. Next, and AC is equal to BD is equal to root of 2x square, that is equal to root 2 into x. Now potential at O is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught charge placed at A divided by AO plus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught QB divided by OB plus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught QC by OC plus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught QD divided by OD. So now here 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught is common, then we can write this as QA divided by AO plus QB divided by OB plus QC divided by OC plus QD divided by OD. And we can write it as 9 into 10 power 9 as 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. So now here that is equal to 9 into 10 power 9 QA 2 into 10 power minus 6 divided by x by root 2 plus 4 into 10 power minus 6 divided by x by root 2 plus 6 into 10 power minus 6 divided by x by root 2. Plus we don't know the charge QD, just write it as QD, that divided by again the distance is x by root 2. Okay, now we can calculate that one. 9 into 10 power 9. So now 9 into that is equal to 10 power 9, and we can take x by root 2 also common here. That is x by root 2 means 1 by x by root 2 into 2 into 10 power minus 6 plus 4 into 10 power minus 6 plus 6 into 10 power minus 6 plus QD. Again we have the 10 power minus 6 in every factor. 9 into 10 power 9 into this becomes root 2 by x into 10 power minus x, and 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus q into d. Now 9 into 10 power 9, that is equal to 9 into 10 power 9 into 10 power minus 6 into root 2 divided by x, and this becomes 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus root 12 plus qd. But here the v naught, they have given that v naught is equal to 0. So here for 0 is equal to 9 into 10 power 3 into root 2 by x into 12 plus qd. So here now 12 plus qd is equal to 0 by 9 into 10 power 3 root 2 by x. Next, and 12 plus qd is equal to 0. qd is equal to minus 12 microcoulomb. So this is a required answer. Means here at the point D, minus 12 microcoulomb must be placed. That is minus 12 microcoulomb. This is a required answer. Thank you.